Welcome to Color Inc. ProLab ROES and Events tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to start a project in Events without a spreadsheet and instead use the spreadsheet tool included with Events. First, navigate to Events and create a job by clicking on the plus symbol in the lower left-hand corner of ROES. Double-click on the newly created job row and rename the job appropriate to your project. With your new job selected, click Subject Info in the lower right corner. In the first section, select Create an Empty Table to Use and click Next. In this section, type in the number of subjects you will be using. I have 8 subjects and 8 fields. You will name your fields later in the setup and use field names that are relevant to your job, such as file name, image, group photo, package, first name, last name, teacher or coach, grade, and school. The file name and package rows are required. Select Next, then choose the package group you'll use for this project and select Next again. If you haven't built packages yet, then check out the tutorial on how to build favorites and packages. Select Yes to navigate to your folders of images and select Next again. Browse to the folder that contains your images, select an individual image, and click Open. Now you will see your images and an empty datasheet on one page. Your images will appear in alphabetical or sequential order. Now let's name the field names. Double-click on a field and give it a name appropriate for each field. Continue until all fields are named. Use field names that are relevant to your job, such as file name, image, group photo, package, first name and last name, teacher or coach, grade, and school. The file name and package rows are required. If you need additional rows or columns, click the Add Remove button in the middle of the screen. To begin associating images with your datasheet, find the appropriate image for the field and drag that image to the column for that subject. You can start entering your subject information. Hit Enter after entering the information and the cursor will move to the next field for the subject. Continue to do this for the rest of your subjects. Here's a quick tip to populate all the file name images on the file name row. First, click on the Images button on the bottom of the page and select Add Images. This will add all of your images to this field row of your data. This will also create a record for every image in your Images folder, including any group images. This method will also create a column for the group image, which you can delete by clicking on the image in the data field. Then in the middle of the page, click Add Remove. In the drop-down menu, select Delete Column. For the group image, you can drag and drop individually for each column, or if it will be the same group image for the entire job. Then select the group image row, then grab the group photo and drag to this row. Now you are ready to start ordering packages. On the package row, make sure you type in the package name exactly as it appears in your package group, followed by a hyphen and the quantity for that package. In this case, I will type in A and a hyphen and a quantity of 1. If more than one package is ordered for a subject, type in the quantity in the same fashion, followed by a semicolon, and then the package and quantity for the subsequent package. Continue typing in the rest of your package orders. Your data will be saved continuously, and you can always come back to your project later to make changes and to finish. Once all your data is entered, you need to associate your package fields in Events. Click on the Packages field name to highlight the entire row for packages. Click on the Use as Packages button. All correctly typed fields will be highlighted in green, and anything incorrect or empty will be pink. If you see a pink field, double-check that your information is in the correct format and that there is a package by that name in your favorites group. Check out the tutorial video assigning fields to packages for the next step.